Before the Rainwater Park, so pinapa-excite lang namin kayo. So we will going to update you with the Bryant Park Lane. So behind us, yan naman yung Bryant Park Lane, no? So almost nasa finishing stage na
Yes,
sila.
yes.
And this year,
mata-turn over na siya, Sir Alan.
yes.
And it's only like 14 floors with 463 units. So, pwede na din natin i-flash siguro yung sa natin, actual lobby para makita na nila.
Yes. We will going to share to you what's inside in Bryant Park Lane right now. So, we're happy to share it with you dito sa vlog namin to really appreciate what's in store here in Capital Town. So, what are we waiting for the Rainwater Park? Let's go! Heading to the Rainwater Park, ayan, as you can see, ginagawa na din yung sa Capital Mall and Museum. Ayan.
Diba, katabi mo lang yung mall and museum. It's just right beside your condo unit or your residential.
So, as you can see, ito, we'll show you now, we have the biking lane and jogging path here because we
Yes.
promote
Healthy lifestyle.
healthy lifestyle. Ayan. So, madaming nagja-jogging dito sa Capital Town. So, ayun, you could enjoy this whole 35.6 hectare development na mag-jogging kayo all
Yes.
around dito. No, once you are a unit owner dito sa